remember that one? You might have seen this guy out in Fort McDowell Casino. We were on the same bill with him about 15 years ago. Let's see if we can stir a memory up on this one.
Or hurt someone.
Or hurt someone? Okay.
Oh my gosh, this RV resort in Surprise, Arizona. And I'm in the laundry room right now. I'll show you pictures of it later, or video. And there's a live band outside. It's crazy. It's like, this place is hopping. They have a quilting club. There's tons of people in there. There's a wood shop, which makes some incredible stuff. There's a jewelry place where you're making all kinds of jewelry. Obviously, jewelry place. But my gosh, this place is hopping right now. Everyone's got their lawn chairs out, for the most part keeping social distancing and enjoying the music and the sun. So nice to have sun. Hey everyone, I'm going to turn you around in a minute. I just wanted to show you the street that we're on in our RV. So you can see how tight the streets are, and that we are actually among full-time RVers, or not RVers, but mobile homeowners. So we're mixed in between them, which has worked out great. Everyone's been really nice. So let me turn you around and you can see.